Do me a favor, my darlings, and stop paying attention to anything other than your dreams, your goals, who you want to be. Make yourself better today in this moment than you were yesterday, than you were when you woke up. Stop centering your value around what other people say about you. Stop focusing on people who are trying to bring you down. Stop focusing on people who are not where you want to be, who haven't done what you want to do, who you do not value or want to become. I make sure in my life that I am kind of gauging how well I'm doing by who loves me and who hates me. Believe it or not, you should be proud of the right people hating you. You should be proud of the right people loving you. And you should not pay any mind to praise or to criticism. Because ultimately, who has to go to bed with you? You. At the end of the night, you are the one who lays down with you. You are the one who's in your body forever. And it doesn't last long. You are on a flying rock through space. Do you understand how rare this life is? Especially in a time when we have something like technology, like the internet. Do you understand how gifted you are if you just have a simple phone and internet connection? Never before has it ever been so easy to make your dreams come true. Did you know that? Did you know that if you're not showing up, if you're not creating content, you are throwing away a huge opportunity to make your life radically change for the better? See, when you start doing well, when you start making your dreams come true, when you become a founder, when you become everything that you've ever imagined yourself to be, that is when the hate will get the loudest. That is when the most people will try to stop you. That is when people will try and get you to delete your shit. That is when people will tell you to change your message. That is when people will literally say that you're crazy, or that you're a colonizer, or that you're insane, or whatever. And that's because you don't understand how powerful it is to just move in your own business. Like, this is something that I had to learn the hard way through many dragon trials with my guardians, is that you have to understand fundamentally how you move in relation to others will always make you orbit other people. How you move in relation to who you are and who you were yesterday will always make you reach your potential. Because if I aim for making this person like me, if I aim for making that person comfortable, if I aim for being a people pleaser, making sure that nobody's angry, if I aim to be non-controversial, you don't understand how much energy you are actually wasting trying to make yourself perfect, trying to make yourself palatable. Instead, fuck their opinions, fuck people's mentalities. If it's not paying you, if it's not making you better, if it's not inspiring you, if it doesn't make you feel good, fucking throw it away, please. Like, I am so sad seeing especially women waste their potential because they have been so trained since birth to literally give a shit about everyone else before themselves. Let me tell you something about dragons while I have this hair in my eyeball. Dragons don't give a shit about anyone but themselves and the innocent. That is it, okay? If you are not giving a shit first about yourself, you cannot protect what's precious, right? Like, be a villain a little bit. Like, let people cry about you. Let people be disturbed by you. Let people be angry about you. Let people have opinions. Let them talk, sweetheart. Because the only one who should not be talking, is the voice inside your head that tries to make you smaller. The only one who should not be talking is the voice inside your head that hurts you, that tells you you're not good enough, that tells you to be smaller, that tells you to worry about other people. Fuck that. voice. It doesn't deserve space in your mind anymore. You have to set this shit on fire. You have to set the old mentality on fire and say, no, today I choose to be different. Today I choose to stand in my truth. Today I choose to get up. Today I choose to fucking set fire to everything that no longer serves me. And then you do it again. And you do it again. And you do it fucking again. You cannot lose if you don't have that mentality. Let me cook here. You could see anything in the world as a loss, but you can also see anything in the world as a gain. And you can also see anything in the world as, well, it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay? I say this to say is that if you have the right mentality, you can never lose, because it's all just an experience for your enrichment. It's all just an experience for your growth, for you to gain wisdom, for you to make memories. Do you think for a second, if I ever thought that I wasn't good enough, I would be in this home, this beautiful home in the hills? No, the fuck I wouldn't. Because I had to believe I was worthy of this space first. And even when we were closing the deal for this home, I still didn't believe I was worthy of it. I still didn't believe. But there was this one tiny little quiet seed in the back of my mind that says, no, I deserve the world. No, I deserve to make my dreams come true. No, I didn't come in this body, in this lifetime, to not get everything that I want. I get everything that I want, actually. Did you know that? Because it's a mentality, right? People say, oh, if you want something and you don't get it, like, that means that, like, something better was for you. No. With all due respect, I get everything that I want because I've decided that. And then I reverse engineer the success. Okay, well, this is what I want. How do I get there? Let's work backwards. That is what it means to be a dragon, to have the eyes that see clearly on how to make your reality real. I would not have ever become the founder of the Dragon Disciplines if I did not believe in myself, if I did not believe that there were people who were like me, if I did not believe in who I wanted to be. No, the little girl who I was at 5 years old, if she met me today, who I am today, she would be in awe. She would be such a fangirl. She would be like, that is my pop star, because I became who I needed. This is the wisdom I've learned from the dragons, is that you have to shapeshift into who you want to be. Who do you want to be? I don't want to be sad anymore. I don't want to be anxious. I don't want to be worried about what people think about me. I don't want to be worried about, this, that, and the third. I am untouchable because it's a mentality. Do you understand? It doesn't matter. You could literally be in prison, or you could literally be, in the worst relationship ever. You could literally be like under an abusive household. But it's, again, a mentality. The most important thing in your reality is what you believe. That is what is the most important thing in this world. That is why you see people constantly fighting over, oh, which religion is real? You see people constantly fighting over, oh, this is what's on the news. No, but this is what's happening. Oh, but this is what's happening. Because what you believe in will determine how you move, will determine how you interact with this dunya, with this reality, with this earth. Okay? You have to remind yourself every single second of every single day that you belong here. You belong here. No one else belongs in your body, in your footsteps, but you. Don't let anyone take away your journey, your footsteps, your truth. Don't listen to them. I beg you, don't listen to them. You will lose so much sleep. You will lose your lifetime. Do you understand me? Time is all you have, and time doesn't exist. Did you know that? All there is right now. And when I learned the hard way that all I have is right here and right now, I stopped living in the future. I stopped living in the past, and I started stitching all of them together right here in this moment. I will sit in the stillness and I will be. And when I am, just as I am, I see my past self, I see my future self, I see my present self as one. That is the key here. Is to understand that your past, your present, and your future are all holding hands in a circle, having so much fun right here, right now. And you won't live forever. And your life is going to be shorter than you think. So start living today. Start seeing yourself clearly first, Go in that mirror. I know you're scared, but go in that mirror and start saying the most radically amazing things about yourself, okay? Start speaking your dreams over yourself. Start telling yourself the life that you're already living, even if you don't believe it yet, because that's how it starts. That's how it starts. I had to have so many conversations with myself looking in the mirror saying, we are not an addict anymore. I will not do these drugs anymore. I will not let these people hurt or define me anymore. Motorcycle confirmation. I will not let this relationship hold me back anymore. I will not be this person anymore. And so it is. See, all you need in order to make meaningful change in your life is an identity shift. You don't need a new habit. You don't need a new plan. You don't need a regimen. You don't need 75 hard. You don't need any of it other than an identity shift. You could sit down to go smoke a joint right now. And before you even light it, you could decide in your brain, this isn't who I am anymore. I'm not a smoker. And you would have no desire. You would have no desire to continue. You just wouldn't. Do you understand? Everyone is going to fight you, especially for your spiritual journey, for your beliefs to be in their favor. Always ask yourself, who benefits for me believing this way? Who benefits when I hate on myself? Who benefits when I believe this or I believe that? Because if you are not the beneficiary, don't do it, Bessie! Run! Okay? Like, make the choices that take you a step higher. And you will make choices that you accidentally crash out and fall on your face. And when you make those mistakes, don't you dare shame yourself. Don't you dare say, I wish I would have done it differently. Don't you dare ruminate on it. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What is this teaching me? How can I apply what I've learned from this? How can I avoid this again? That's it. And always, 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 forever more. Tell yourself every second that you get a chance to, because you don't live so long, how fucking awesome you are. Every single day in my life, I constantly speak success over myself. I constantly speak amazing things over myself, and people cannot handle it because they don't like to see somebody who is uncontrolled, who is not able to be intimidated one way or the other. I dropped my shame a long time ago. I said, fuck my reputation a long time ago. Why? Because I don't care. The only reputation I care about is the one I have with myself. That's why I know my people. That's why I know the true hatchlings will find me wherever I am. Because that is what I have faith in. I have faith that the right people will find me and they will stick beside me. And it's always been that way. I've never been alone, and I never will be alone. Because I have such a beautiful, supportive community behind me. I have so many amazing, incredible friends. I have so many loving and supporting family. And I have so much support in my life. I have so much support, I would never second guess myself. I have so much confirmation in who I am that I would never, ever for a second question, am I doing something wrong? Am I lying about myself? No, because I know exactly who I am, and I've worked my ass off at cultivating who I am, at making sure that no one knows me better than me. Know thyself. Most people run away from themselves. Most people are just posting things to post things. Most people genuinely determine their value based on how many views they got for their content that day, based on how they can influence other people's opinions. But can you influence the opinion of yourself? Can you influence the courage that you need in order to make your dreams come true? Because let me tell you something, and then we're gonna get out of here, but let me tell you something. You don't make your dreams come true. You take them for yourself. Let me repeat that. You do not make your dreams come true. You take them for yourself. You see, justice is not handed out. You have to make it. And some people aren't going to understand why you move the way that you do. But always choose to move the way that your heart tells you you should, not what anyone else tells you. Because this is your life. And if you don't follow your heart, you'll regret it. And if you follow your heart, sometimes you will also regret it. But it's better to regret following your heart and kind of messing up rather than sitting on the sidelines and always wondering, should I have done that? See, history isn't made by good girls. History isn't made by quiet people who are agreeable, who please others. History is made by people who disrupt shit, people who take shit for themselves, and people who say no. This is the way it is, and I will not take no for an answer. That is the only way you make history in this world. You have to take it for yourself. You have to take this journey for yourself. You have to make this world your own. Because you don't last long, okay? So you might as well have fun. People are gonna judge you whether you're perfect or not. So you might as well do the best that you can to make your life the best that you possibly can. And if you want to hang out with us, definitely don't forget to join us in the Hatchling Clan Discord server. It is the first link in the description box down below. If you love dragons, if you want to become the dragon, if you want to just have a really amazing community of people who will always support you, definitely join the Hatchling Clan. It's the best place to be online. But other than that, all I have to say is just like, I needed to remind you of your fire today. This is what fire is, what dragon fire is. And you have to set yourself on dragon fire every day when you wake up and say, who am I going to be today? What am I going to do today? And how can I take one more step in the right direction to make my dreams a reality? People say, I don't chase, I attract. No, I articulate. I institutionalize. I systematize my success. I define my path. I create my dreams. I create my reality. All of it is within me. So mo to be. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. So I have so much love for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will definitely see you tomorrow. But until next time, sticky, sticky, and picky, little hatchlings. Allah Hafiz, blessed be and Amin. And please follow me so we don't get lost.